Do you know who coined the words swagger and eyeball? What about science fiction? Who is the writer of science fiction? Any idea? This and much more coming in this video. Hello and assalamu alaikum, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is all about interesting facts in English literature. I have coined a few important topics, although ये बहुत ज़्यादा हैं, लेकिन मैंने कुछ इम्पोर्टेंस उठाए हुए हैं जो आपको काफ़ी हेल्प कर सकते हैं डिफरेंट पेपर्स में or like in MCQs. So let's begin. So the very first thing we have is the oldest surviving work. The very basic thing, the very oldest surviving work in English literature is Beowulf. English literature all begins with Beowulf, and it is a tale of heroes and monsters. ठीक है जी, बीवुल्फ जो है वो क्या है, स्टोरी है हीरोज और मॉन्स्टर्स की कहानी है. एंड इट्स दिस बीवुल्फ सेट्स द स्टेज, इट्स सेट्स व्हाट, इट्स सेट्स द स्टेज फॉर व्हाट, for the rich literary traditions that is to be followed later. Then we have Shakespearean influence. आप जानते हैं कि विलियम शेक्सपियर जो है वो इंग्लिश लिटरेचर में बहुत ही बड़ा रोल रखता है. ही इज़ द फेमस, द मोस्ट फेमस in fact writer of English literature. So William Shakespeare is the one who coined over 1700 words in English language. ठीक है जी. How many words did William Shakespeare coined? He coined about 1700 words in English language, and he also coined the word eyeball. ठीक है जी. He also coined the word what? Swagger. These are the two words that he also coined. From eyeball to swagger, he coined about 1700 words in English language. As well as his themes of the plays are timeless. Like you can see his plays are on betrayal. His plays themes are based on revenge, betrayal, love, anger, etc. Then we have first English novel. The first ever English novel was written in the 18th century. And ठीक है जी, there was the birth of English novel in the 18th century, which belonged to Daniel Defoe. रॉबिन्सन क्रूसो. जो रॉबिन्सन क्रूसो है, it is our first ever English novel which is written by Daniel Defoe. Then we have Jane Austen's legacy. Okay, due to her sharp wit and keen insight, Jane Austen crafted timeless stories of love and society. उसका अगर हम एमा की बात करें या फिर प्राइड एंड प्रेजुडिस की बात करें, so she has quite sharp wit and keen insight into the society, and that's what she has depicted in her novels. Then we have the romantic era's poetry. We see that the two opposite poles, like in romantic poetry you see two completely different poets, like Williams Wordsworth talk about natural things. ठीक है जी. Nature, like the daffodils. Remember the daffodils novel, poem? So he talks about what? Nature. Then we have ST College, Samuel Taylor Coleridge. He talks about supernaturalism. ठीक है जी. And that's evident, that's quite obvious in his famous poem which is known as the Rime of the Ancient Mariner. Then we have Victorian novel. We see diversity in the Victorian literature. ठीक है जी. वी सी डाइवर्सिटी ड्यू टू कम्प्लेक्सिटीज ऑफ चेंजिंग द वर्ल्ड. ठीक है, उस वक्त जो है वो सेंचुरी चेंज हो रही थी. सो वी कैन सी व्हाट डाइवर्सिटी इन द कम्प्लेक्सिटीज ऑफ चेंजिंग द वर्ल्ड. जो चार्ल्स डिकन्स है वो इंग्लैंड को जिस तरह डिपिक्ट कर रहा था अपने नॉवेल्स में, डेविड कॉपरफील्ड में या फिर ग्रेट एक्सपेक्टेशंस में. सो दैट्स हाउ इंग्लैंड वाज चेंजिंग. ठीक. Then we have influential female writers, from Mary Shelley, who wrote science fiction, to Virginia Woolf, who wrote about consciousness in her novel. If you have read To the Lighthouse, you know what I'm talking about. Then we have dystopian fiction. So in the famous writer George Orwell already warned us about what the operation in his the famous novel 1984. ठीक है जी. डायस्टोपिया जो है वो डिसफंक्शनल सोसाइटी को कहते हैं. सो वी वर ऑलरेडी warned about the dysfunctional society by George Orwell in his famous novel known as 1984. I hope you guys get it what I'm trying to say. Let me know if you still have any questions. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.